An Inuit spell.
Yeah. Who knew the metal letters had its own Eskimo section?
And it's supposed to let us communicate with the Colonel.
Yeah, well, that's the plan. Devin said it's like a sort of human-animal mind meld.
Meaning?
If it works, we should be able to read the Colonel's thoughts.
All right, I'll do it. You got enough on your plate.
Like what?
Like, you're tired, you're on the mend, okay? Plus you've got a sensitive stomach. Last thing we need is you chucking this stuff up, huh? Doesn't look so bad. I was wrong. Come on. Diala Hio Me. Dug Eru Nograr Vitur Orem. All right, let's get this party started. Tell me everything you know. What's the matter, cat? Got your tongue? Tough crowd. So call Kevin. Spell tasted like ass and was a bust.
At least it didn't affect your appetite. Jeez.
Yeah. Change the station. Change the station. What?
What?
You shut up. It's working.
Go.
Say it again. You call this classic rock? Next thing you know, they'll be playing Styx. And Dennis DeYoung, a punk. Dennis DeYoung's not a punk. He's Mr. Roboto, bitch.
Why are you arguing with the dog about sticks?
Yeah. Hey, boy. What were you trying to tell us about the cowboy hat? The douche wheel who killed my best friend was wearing a cowboy hat. And the bothead, too? Yep. Same guy killed both.
Ask about the cats.
And what about the cats? I don't know.
I don't want this.
I couldn't see much. I didn't exactly have the best view in the orphanage. Oh, but I could smell them. Diarrhea, red meat, dishwashing detergent, and Tiger Balm.
Huh. So what's he saying?
That the guy, he smelled like ground chuck and soap suds and old lady cream.
Dean, what are you doing?
I don't know. But what are you laughing at? Hey, yeah, you, hey, you.
Dean? I think the spell worked. In fact, I think it worked a little too well.
What?
I think you might be a dog.
What?
You're scratching your head. You're barking at the mailman. You're playing fetch.
Ruh-roh.